By now, I'm sure you have plenty of writing pieces where we can go back and maybe make it a little bit better. This next strategy is called invigorating verbs. We're gonna return to an old piece of writing and look at a verb and think, that's a little dull. Can I describe it better? Can I describe it more precisely? The trick is to read around the verb and think to yourselves exactly how did the character do it. So what you can do then is replace that verb with a phrase or a more invigorating verb that really describes exactly how it happened in the story. So for this strategy, writers try to precisely describe how a character does something. So here's what I did. Step 1 is to look for a dull sentence. I went back to my writing and I had this sentence. She went over to the teacher's desk. You can see my face here. Blah, that's not too exciting. It's not too invigorating. Step 2, exactly how did she do it? I need to brainstorm. I did a little bit of brainstorming, so I went back to my sentence. She went over to the teacher's desk. I'm thinking to myself exactly how did she do it? Did she skip? Did she run? Did she meander? Did she shoot straight towards it? What I'm trying to do is replacing this blah verb with a more invigorating verb. The last step is to rewrite the whole sentence using that new invigorating verb or the phrase that you chose. All right, let me remind you how boring the first sentence was. She went over to the teacher's desk. Blah. Here's the new sentence. She jumped out of her seat and skipped to the front of the teacher's desk. Now, hopefully after I've chosen my dull verb and I've replaced it, my story's a little bit more exciting to the reader. It also gives my reader a better mental image of what's going on in the story. All right, guys, go back to your old writing and find some dull verbs and make them invigorating. Thanks for watching.